Hello again, second graders. Today we're going to continue to work with double consonants, and we're also going to add in working with syllables today. So first I want to start by just warming our brains up a little bit. I'm going to say a two-syllable word, and I want you to try to figure out what consonant sound you hear in the middle of that word. For example, I'm going to say the word lesson. In the word lesson, I hear one consonant sound in the middle. I hear a S sound in the middle of lesson. So now you try it, okay? Listen to the word puppet. Puppet. What sound do you hear in the middle of puppet? The P sound, puppet. Excellent. Let's try it with the word rabbit. Say rabbit. What sound did you hear in the middle of rabbit? B, B, the B sound. Excellent. Let's try it with the word summer. Summer, summer. What sound do you hear in the middle of summer? The sound that the M makes. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's try the word hidden. Hidden. In the word hidden, I hear a D sound in the middle, which is made by the letter D. So now that we've warmed up our brains a little bit, I want us to think about, we're going to move into syllables. But before I do, I want to remind you that when we have a double consonant in a word, that double consonant makes one sound. Okay, so a double consonant can come in the middle of a word, or it can also come at the end of a word. So what I want us to do now is we're going to take a look at some of these words behind me. I have the word kitten here, and we're going to divide these words into syllables. And before we do that, I want us to look and see if we can find the vowels in the word. So here we have the word kitten. I know that I is a vowel. I also know that the letter E is a vowel. So I'm going to put V under there for vowel. Now looking at the word, I can see that T and T are consonants. So I'm going to label those with a C. Okay, so when I look at these letters between the vowels, I've written the C under those because those are consonants. And when I see a double consonant between two vowels, that's where I divide the word into syllables. Okay, so when I have kitten here, we have our two consonants. So I'm going to divide kitten into syllables where the double T is. Let's also look at the word rabbit. Okay, I'm going to label the vowels there. Let's take a look here for you, see if you can get a little closer. We have rabbit. We know that the A is a vowel. We also know that I is a vowel. And here we have our B's, so we're going to label those as consonants. And I want you to think, where would you divide this word into syllables? All right, I hope you said between the B's, because those are our double consonants. That's where we're going to divide that into syllables. Let's look at another one. Button. We got to get you over here. We're too close. Just give me 1 second here. So now we have the word button. So if you remember, the first thing we're going to do is find our vowels. We have the vowel U and the vowel O. The next thing we're going to do is find our consonants between those vowels, which we have a T here and another T here. And then we look and see if we have two consonants between those vowels, that's where we're going to divide the word into syllables. So the word button, we're going to divide right between the two T's. We'll do one more practice here. We have the word hidden. So again, the first thing we're going to do is find our vowels. So we have the I is a vowel, the E is a vowel, and then we want to look and see, do we have any consonants between these two vowels? Yes, we have two D's here, so we're going to label those as consonants. And then I'm going to ask myself, do I see two consonants between the vowels? And if I do, I know that's where I'm going to divide those into syllables. All right, so second graders, now that we have done that, I'm going to ask you to do some work with more words with double consonants. Have a great day, and if you need any help, please let us know.